I see that my ex is not doing well. Deleted his social media and wants to leave the state, has been showing interest in depressing things. He looks kind of sick. I haven't talked to him in over a year. We both moved on, so our breakup was not recent. Would it be crazy if I check in on him? I'm not looking for anything. My gut just says to check in on him. Maybe it's all in my head, or maybe I'm looking into it this deep. So I wrote a couple notes down, like I usually do, just because of how important I think that this topic is. And I think, relationship aside, your humanity, your how would I say this? Your role as a human being is you have to check up on people. Relationship aside, whether your ex, your best friend, your uncle, whoever it is, if you see somebody in need, the universe is putting that into your mind or your eyes so you can go and help them. When we see these things on social media, when we see people crying out for help, you don't know if you're going to be that one person's savior. You don't. They're crying out for help, so you have to get in the mindset of you want to help whoever it is. You want to help people in general. You can't say, oh, they might be fine because they look like they're happy, or they might be fine because they have a lot of friends. You could be the only person checking in on them today. You have the power to change their life. So don't be stingy with your energy. Don't think that they are getting what they need, because if they put out that distress signal, they need somebody. And if you're in a state where you can help somebody and you don't, and something happens, you might feel like, I should have done something. And that's the worst place to be in. So relationship aside, just check up on them. Just be my main goal is just to help everybody become just a decent human being. Check up on them. You see that they're hurting. We never truly know the impact that sending a text, even to anybody. You could look through your contacts right now, you haven't checked up on somebody. A friend, they may be doing great, they may be doing bad, but you don't know that, so you should check up on them. Everybody's going through something right now. You can be that piece that helps them get through the year, the day, the hour. But if you don't do anything, they're never going to get the help that they need. You can be that glue piece that really helps somebody get through whatever they're getting through. But you got to be able to send the text first. You have to show that interest first. You might even need to say, hey, you might not know what to say. Just let them talk. If someone needs help, just call them up and let them talk. That might be all that they need. They may not need your opinion. They may not need your advice. But if they're crying out for help, please be there for them. Again, everybody's going through something this year. But if you are in a position to help, it is your duty to help them. Don't assume that they're doing okay. Don't assume that your friends are doing okay. Don't assume that everybody you know is doing okay. Check up on them. Be that friend. Don't just have surface level conversation. Get deep with them. You got to get deep with them. It hurts me sometimes hearing people say, oh, I wish I would have checked up on them, because it's happened to me. I wish I would have checked up on some people. Then something happens. And I feel bad. I still feel bad to this day that I didn't reach out when I knew that there was something wrong. When I knew that somebody needed help, and I didn't do anything because I just assumed. You can't assume. You cannot assume that people are doing okay when they're sending out signals like this. Please, I am telling you, please reach out to this person. If you can do one thing for me today, if everybody could just text somebody that was just random, that they may an old friend or somebody, just reach out to people and have some deep conversations. Because I'm telling you, everybody is like you, everybody is going through something, and everybody needs somebody to talk to. And most people don't have friends like that. Most people don't have friends that they can have deep conversations with. Be that person. Be that person that they can cry to. It's your duty. So just please reach out to somebody. It's almost like that if somebody's drowning and you got that, I forgot what that thing, that little ring thing, and you don't want to throw it out to them because you assume that they can swim. You don't want to be that person. Just throw them the lifeline, regardless if they can swim or not. But just support them. People just need support. They need support, they need help. but you just got to be that person. Love that person, love them as a friend, family, and both of you guys can heal through that.